Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I am putting together a series of information concerning bird hides in Gauteng. I've now in the last 6 months tried to find the perfect bird hide with the best results in terms of photography. And to my surprise, I haven't found sufficient reviews on bird hides in the greater Gauteng area. So what I'm going to do is I will list all these bird hides and I will be evaluating them all and scoring them. And in the final program on this series, I will do a total summary of all the bird hides, and I'll be coming back to you, hopefully giving you information that you can use in planning your trips to these bird hides. The first one I'm going to do is the Sisulu hide at Walter Sisulu Botanical Gardens. It's quite famous, the botanical gardens. It's got wonderful fauna and flora, and yeah, we're going to go there with our video cameras. We're going to take pictures and we're going to show you, and then we'll score this bird hide. So guys, we're approaching the bird hide after about 15 minutes of hike. As you can see, as you approach it, the wood is really well structured to isolate, and yeah, we are here. Looks fantastic. Beautiful Egyptian geese already visible. Beautiful view. Mountain in the background. Yeah, lovely. Sponsored by Sisulu. If you don't know Sisulu in South Africa, that's a petrochemical company. Beautiful. Kingfisher. Just waiting for a fish, or possibly sleeping. Here's the Egyptian geese. Yep, getting ready to enter the water. Yeah, I really can see the difference. Okay guys, I'm trying to just get a video going for myself. Yeah, so we've been here now this whole morning. We had limited success with different birds, but it is a beautiful hide, good facility. Benches are great to sit on. The view of the dam and the mountain is fantastic. Lighting is fine. Sun is not in your eyes, so if you do get a very good bird shot, definitely the setting is perfect for that. And yeah, will we come back? Will we use this hide again? I'm sure we will. We'll talk about the rating of the hide a bit later. But yeah, I'm surprised, pleasantly surprised.